All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital channel. Doing a live show right now, just for a little bit. There's not too much happening. All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital channel. Doing a live show right now, just for a little bit. There's not too much happening. Okay, sorry about that. What's happening here? Let's see. Yeah, so the market is a little bit flat, right? Nasdaq at down a little bit, 0.05%. Dow is up 0.3. S&P is at up 0.08%. This volume is really high though, which is kind of weird. Not sure if this is correct. Let me go to Nasdaq here for a second. Yeah, unfortunately this doesn't show volume real time. So 62 million right now. Yeah, it's pretty high because yesterday was 103, and that was really high too. It was up here. But today we're already at 62 million. How is that possible? So I'm not sure why the volume is so high on the Nasdaq, but that's again that's what it's showing right now. Um, let's take a look at NYSE for a second. So volume wise, 42 million yesterday. Right now is at 7.7. So that's, we are really early in the morning, 1 hour. So that makes more sense. But yeah, I don't know why Nasdaq volume is so high. Um, so anyhow, looking at the market right now, let me go to the ETF here, QQQ. We have been doing really well since this fall 2 days here. Um, right now we just we went up so much and then we kind of went going sideways right now, right? That's really good. And then 50 days coming down. So we are going to challenge the 50 day, it looks like. And like I said, going sideways is not a bad thing. As the 50 day comes down, um, you know, if we have some good news, it could easily power through it, right? So that's something to watch for. And then when it goes through it, hopefully it can stay above that red line. Let's go to SPY for a second. Very similar chart. We're kind of going sideways right now as this coming down. Very similar. So So to go through the 50 day, I think like we need some catalyst news, maybe a tariff deal or something. We'll see. But right now, earnings seasons are in full swing, so very volatile. Some stocks miss will get punished. I think I heard Spotify got pulled down today, right? So I think it missed earnings or something. I'm not sure. This is not updated yet. But you can see the reaction. Um, let me see. Let me confirm the news is out here. Yeah, it says stock sinks after earnings. So the numbers weren't good enough. So that's the problem. So yeah, I got stop out this morning. Um, yeah, so this is not good. Yeah. Let me put a marker on here. So here you go. Yeah, unfortunately, yesterday it was interesting. It already had some selling, right? It was a reversal from the breakout, and so And then today it just, yeah, it looks like some people know about this. So okay, so that's Spotify. Going to stocks on the move, you know, with such volume, you would think there's lots of Nasdaq stocks on the list, but no, it's only yeah, it ranged from 5 to 7, like it's so little. So this is really bad, right? GLW, DB, SAP, CVLT, FCFS, SFD, COCO. Oh, let's go to FCFS. Consumer loans. There's 1/4 lower than 10% here. It is near new high though, so that looks pretty good, but it won't be on my list here. But I'll just track it here. Okay, next one we have was SFD. This is a food meat products group. Also, earnings are not very stable, so I'm gonna pass on this. Okay, and then we have Coco. The market is pulling back right now, right after last week's 4 days gains, and then yesterday it was down in the morning, but then it came back up. So really it was 5 days for the Nasdaq. So now we are pulling back. It's quite normal, I think. Again, if it goes sideways, even better. So we'll see. So this one has a negative earnings coming up, reporting tomorrow. So yeah, we can watch that. That's Coco. Okay. Uh, And let's see here. We have GLW. It reported today. It was down in the morning, but then it came back up. Earnings still looks pretty stable. So here you go. This morning it dropped quite a bit, but then it went all the way back up here. So I like a shakeout right here. So this is a good shakeout, and then it went above the previous day's high. So this looking. Then look at this. It even found support here. So very strong. Next one we have Deutsche Bank. Very strong stock. It just doesn't meet my fundamental criteria of 10%. This one is down third quarter here. It's actually down, but this is making new high. And then what else do we have here? HEIA. So this one do have good earnings, but it's still kind of in a downtrend zone. So we'll have to wait and see right here. So you can see the downtrend line and draw there. So CVLT, it reported this morning, and you can see I draw a downtrend line there too. Well, the downtrend line looks more like this actually. But this morning it reversed, so that's why I draw another downtrend line. So I don't like to buy on up the reversal. So I have to wait and see. If we go to 5 minute chart here, so it has been going down, it hasn't bounced back at all. So we'll see if it finds support at this lows here. If it doesn't, it could go lower. CVLT. Then the last one is SAP. So SAP reported last week. It has been falling through since that gap up. So here you go. Here's the gap up, and then it's been going through. Now it's trying to hit new highs. Very strong stock. Like it's quite extended though. You can see right here 10-day versus the current price. It's a really big, gap there. Um, so it could pull back anytime soon, but yeah. But it's very strong stock, SAP. So so again, I'm a little bit um uneasy about the volume being so high on Nasdaq, 100% over. But like this is incredible volume. So but yet on the stocks on the move, there's no volume. So this is not a good sign. I have to say this is not a good sign. So I'm tightening all my stops this morning, um, because this could be, it could signify that people are possibly getting out right now, before something happens. So just want to bring that to caution because that is not normal. Again, I don't know if this is correct, but if this is correct, then that could be a bad thing. And we have to understand we have come up for 4 or 5 days now on the Nasdaq. Um, like we have come a long way, right? And we are coming into resistance. So this could literally be the highs here, and then we can go down to the next leg. Um, yeah. So this is the danger. Could be the risk here. Um, Now, like I said earlier, catalyst news. Any catalyst news could move this above this 50-day line. Maybe a tariff deal, maybe more negotiations going, more ahead. And market would be happy about that. And also this week is big earnings news. So like big guys like Meta. So look at where Meta is compared to 50-day and versus the index. Much lower, right? So this is reporting tomorrow. Amazon, look again, same thing. Look at 50-day. It's much lower, right? It's not even near it compared to the index, general index. So this is 2 days later. Uh, Microsoft. Okay, so Microsoft is above 50 days. So this one's acting really well. This is reporting tomorrow. I'm just trying to think what else is reporting. Apple. Yeah, Apple too. So this one is getting closer to 50 days. So this one looks slightly better. But yeah, let's look. Might as well look at Tesla. Tesla here. The volume is really high lately, so that's a good news because it's been going up. Today it's falling back a little, 1% only. So that's also good news, holding up pretty well. So and then finally we have Google. Well, Google found resistance here on the 50-day. So yeah, and then we have Netflix. Netflix hitting new highs. This stock is really strong. Yeah, it hit new high today, intraday high, just a little bit, $1. So here you go, you can see it. Yeah, very strong stock. So this one looks like the mega cap leader right now because it's already broken out, and it's been going up like 7 days in a row. So I would be very a little bit cautious right now. I'm not doing too much buying. Let me just. I think there's one stock I missed here that I want to highlight. LOAR, yeah, LOAR. So this one is near a new high right now. And this one has strong earnings or aerospace defense. Very nice cut with handle pattern right here. Breakout. And it's a very sharp angle like the 10-day. Um, so yeah. So this one is like holding pretty tight. Look at today, it's holding really tight. It hasn't give up much. So you can see yesterday's low right there. Um, that could be the stop there. If ADMA, it was doing really well yesterday. Yesterday it was up a lot, but today it gave back and looks like it's recovering right now. So yesterday it closed in the halfway range. Um, but it was up even halfway range. It was up 12%. Um, so this is also another cup with handle pattern. Really nice pattern. And now it's, yeah, this morning, like I said, let's go intraday chart here. Sharp drop. Not sure what the news related, maybe. Um, yeah, here's jump right here. Bounce back now. It's bouncing back. Here's jump right here. Sorry, right there. The ADMA. So that could potentially be a new buying opportunity here. As it tested the lows here. And then we have another news that came out was HIMS. Um, basically have deal to sell NOAR Nordis Wiggery. So another news there. It was up a lot this morning, give back a lot right now. It is back below 50 days. So I don't like that. When it's reversal like this, I don't usually buy it. So it already broke the morning lows and it came down lower. So right now it's just on free fall until it finds some support. So maybe it could work after that. So we'll put this on watch list. It does have good earnings and sales. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. And don't forget to like and subscribe.